So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Ethical Hacking Week 12 Assignment 12. So the first question is which option is used for ICMP Eco Sweep in Nmap? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, to perform ICMP Eco Sweep minus PE option is used. So the answer of our first question is A. Now the second question is in ICMP sweep receiving ICMP type 0 reply indicates. So these are the option, target host is down, target host is alive, target host is filtered, none of these. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, if an ICMP echo reply ICMP type 0 is received, target is alive. So the answer of our second question is B, target host is alive. Now the third question is by default nmap scan how many ports. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, Nmap. There are 1000s of scripts available with Nmap to perform various operations. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is which option makes Nmap treat all host as online, skip host discovery. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question 4, minus PN treat all host as online, skip host discovery. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Now the fifth question is which scanning technique uses full three-way handshake. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, TCP connect scan complete three-way handshake. So the answer of our fifth question is B, TCP connect scan. Now the sixth question is assume we are running Wireshark in a host. If the NIC of the host is set in promiscuous mode, what Wireshark will do? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, promiscuous mode. In this mode, the sniffer can read all traffic on the network segment to which the NIC is connected, irrespective of the sender and the receiver. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Now the seventh question is which of the following nmap option is used for OS discovery? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, OS detection minus O, enable OS detection. So the answer of our seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is which of the following can be detected using service version detection minus SV. So these are the option, application name, application version, OS fingerprint, vulnerability status. So the answer of our eighth question is A and B. Now the ninth question is which nmap option allows scanning only the most common 10 ports. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, port specification and scan order. Top ports number, scan number, most common ports. So the answer of our ninth question is C. Now the 10th question is in which default format does Wireshark save captured packets? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, save in .tcap.ng Wireshark format. So the answer of our 10th question is D. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.